Today we are touring a brand new end unit townhouse here in very luxurious and sought after subdivision, Iron West. Today you're going to find the home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a large 2-car garage, and amazing views of the east side of Cedar City. If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment down below the things that you like about this house, and even the things that you don't like and things that you would change, and leave it a like so we know if you're enjoying these videos or if you want to see some different things. But today we're going to see unit number 27 here at the Iron Hawk Townhomes in Cedar City, Utah. We've done a similar showing or a tour of a home exactly like this. It's the same exact layout, but this time this is a brand new home, and it has different finishes as well, which you will see. But that was a beautiful entrance and into the walkway, and a beautiful living room here. Very spacious, very wide open, ceiling fans in every single room, as well as this gas fireplace. You can use it for looks, or you can use it for heating your house, primarily during the winter. Other than that, lots of windows for a lot of natural light, as well as the sliding glass door. Now, I said that the finishes are a little bit different, and in this home, you have plain white finishes with the quartz countertops. Now, a lot of people like different types of finishes, and the great thing about this subdivision is it has different colors. So this one's white, and the other ones there is also brown, and I believe that there is a gray. But if you prefer the white, then lucky for you, we're seeing the white today. So much cabin space, up and down, brand new appliances, a large pantry, which is super nice, a little desk here for working, kids doing homework, or for your own personal use. Little ledge there for your bar stools, but overall, a very spacious kitchen, beautiful kitchen. It's so bright, it's very, very luxurious looking, but we're in a townhome, so it just makes you feel a lot more luxurious for less of the price. Along on the main level, you have a half bathroom here. This is going to be mostly for guests when they come to visit, but also for you when you don't want to go all the way upstairs. Storage underneath the stairs, which is super convenient and out of the way. A large, very depth 2-car garage. And now this is an end unit, so you have a window there. That's actually not in a lot of homes, so that's super nice. But this is an end unit, so you have things that the other townhomes don't. You have extra space on the side and a little bit more lighting. But we will come back to the backyard. We're going to go upstairs right now. One thing I will say though is this isn't just LVP. This is actual luxury hardwood, which you don't find in really any of these townhomes, and that is an upgrade from your regular luxury vinyl. Now, as we get to the top of the stairs, you have first your laundry room. Huge laundry room. Your washer and dryer will go there. Tons of cabinet space and storage space. And also a full closet as well in your laundry room. So you can use that for hanging clothes, or just if you need more space to put storage and other clothes, then that is perfect for that. On this side of the house, we have 2 bedrooms. Very good size as well. As I said, ceiling fans in every single room. Another closet, good sized closet, shelves on the right. And you have your rod on the left. But a good sized room for rentals for college students if you're going to rent it, for kids if you're going to be living here with a family, or just really good guest rooms. And this is your view out of these 2-bedroom windows. Isn't that beautiful? Just those mountains, all the red, that is breathtaking. And the good thing is this field right here is totally empty. I can't tell you when that's going to be built on, but for now, you have an immaculate view that is not getting stopped by anything. Same thing here. Again, this closet is a little bit smaller, but still a good sized closet. And again, just that view. Just just enjoy it with me just for a second. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, now into the first full bathroom. Single vanity, large mirror. As I said, this is brand new, so there's some blue tape around just for little spots that they need to fix. But really nice sized bathroom. Beautiful tile in the showers. Keep it beautiful, keep it clean. Large tub. Really nice bathroom for these two rooms over here. Now, what I would say is the grand piece and really big seller is the master bedroom. It is huge for a townhouse. It is so large. And like I said, we're an end unit, so you have these 3 extra windows that give a little bit more natural light to this room. But you really don't need it because that window is also huge, bringing in natural light. The ceilings are a little bit higher in here as well, so it feels a lot more open and spacious. So that is so nice for this master bedroom. And even more impressive, if you ask me, is this master bathroom. Double vanity, beautiful colors. Again, the white. This is the white edition. Large mirror, walk-in shower, and separate bathtub. That is a huge thing. Usually you get one or the other or both together, but here they've utilized the space so well that you get them separately. Toilet off to the side with its own door, and the master closet that is not made to be in a 1,800 square foot townhome. This is a closet for a $600,000 home. But lucky for you, you get it in this townhome. So again, beautiful master bedroom and master bathroom. It really sets it apart. Now out of this, you're going to get the rest of the subdivision, which we're going to go check out right now. Not the most amazing view, but you could have a lot worse. But again, the view out of those 2 bedrooms is just amazing. So now we've seen the house. We've seen how wonderful it is, but owning a house isn't just about what the house is like. The neighborhood is also super important. And with an HOA that you're going to be paying every single month, what does that come with? So we're going to go into the backyard right now, and then I'm going to take you over to the little park that the HOA takes care of and provides for, and a little brief summary of the neighborhood. But this is going to be your backyard, and again, it's pretty wide open, enough for a barbecue, some patio seating. You can even put an umbrella back here, and again, you have a lot of privacy. This road right here is just for the workers to get up and down. You can see the gravel there, so you will be able to have. I don't know what they're going to let you do with this back here, but it's not going to be houses for right here, so you will not have to worry about that. You have plenty of privacy, nothing going behind you as of right now, and probably not for the foreseeable 5 to 10 years. But enough of the house. Let's go check out this neighborhood. And I've been hyping it up, so it's better time to show you what is so great about this neighborhood. Now, out here in the neighborhood, I said it's a brand new subdivision. All of these have not been bought yet. They're just being finished. Those are just being finished. And you can see more building going on over there. So these are brand new. All the ones over here on this other side have been bought. But that's not what we're going to talk about. We're going to the park, the little park that this very nice subdivision has. It's not completed as of right now. There's actually 2 sets to the park, but they're working on it. You know, they have a lot of things going on. But this is, I would say, a little dog park. This is where you can bring your pets, and they can run around on the grass and have a good old time. And they'll have probably baggies to provide for you. And I'm guessing a lot of it's gonna, like the back there, like I talked about, it looks like it's just gonna be gravel. So that's nice for going on walks, because no one owns that. The HOA will take care of all of that. So you can go on walks, take your dogs or pets into the back. So you have a lot of options there. Now, as I said, there's two parts to the park. Oh, and also, yeah, around the neighborhood there are these guest parking spaces, which is super nice. So that they don't have to park in the road; they have their own designated places to park. But this is where this really shines. And I would even say that these lots or these units are also super nice because it has direct access to this park. You have a pickleball court, you have a full playground, a pavilion with some seating, and a full basketball hoop over there. And so this is in the dead center of all of the lots, all of the subdivision. And so it is definitely a highlight. Now with the pavilion, anyone can use it at any time. So you don't have to, reserve it or anything like that. But this is definitely a highlight to this house and to this subdivision. So that is the full property tour of these great homes, these Iron Hawk Townhomes located in Cedar City, Utah, in the Iron West subdivision. I hope that you enjoyed going through this property, seeing all of the great finishes, the unique things about this house, the wonderful neighborhood and HOA amenities that this neighborhood has. And I hope that you were able to see it as your own home. If you are interested in this subdivision or townhomes and homes like this, message me. I can give you more information on price, style, finishes, and many more things that I can't fit in a 15-minute video. But make sure you subscribe to the channel to be on top of everything that's going on here in Cedar City, property tours, market updates, local activities, the pros and cons of living here in Southern Utah. You can find everything you need here on this channel, so make sure that you subscribe. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.